Hello everyone and welcome to jgcancook. Today I'm going to test 5-minute crafts viral food hacks. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe it and click on the bell button to get post notifications. So without any further ado, let's get started. So for the first hack, they have told us the easy way to peel the potatoes. So let's try it that it will work or not. So here I am taking 2 potatoes and making a slit with a knife on the potatoes. Repeating the same for the both. Then I am going to boil the potatoes. It took me approx 10 minutes to boil the potatoes. After 10 minutes I have strained the water of the potatoes. And as per their instructions I am going to add the cold water. So after doing so, now it's time to peel the potato. So trying their method to peel the potato, it was easy to peel one side but not the other side. So I have tried it again on the second potato and the same thing happened. So for me, this hack was not that useful. And I'm going to rate this hack 4 on 10. So moving on to the hack number 2. So for the hack number 2, I'm going to take one potato. I'm going to peel the potato. Then I'm going to take a skewer stick and place the potato in the skewer stick. So after doing so, I am going to make spirals with the help of a sharp knife. So guys, this step is very crucial. So do it very properly. Now I am going to open the spirals. So you can see the spirals guys, but they are not really clear. Maybe my potato spirals are like little thick. They need to be more thin. So now I am going to fry the potato. They have baked it, but I am frying it so that it becomes very crispy. So to fry the potato, it took me approx 5 to 10 minutes on medium flame. So after 10 minutes, it starts turning golden brownish in color. So now it's ready and I will take it out in a plate. So I am going to add some seasonings in it to add more flavor. So I am adding here salt and oregano. It's optional, you can skip it. So now it's taste time. So guys, its taste is very yummy. You must try it. So after tasting this hack, I tried to open the spiral and they look something like this. So I will rate this hack 10 on 10 and it's a great success. So moving on to the hack number 3. So for this hack, I'm going to take a potato. I'm going to slice it as thin as possible. Taking the 2 identical slices, now I'm going to take one egg. We'll add some salt and red chili powder to add some seasoning. We'll whisk it well. Now for the next step, I'm going to take breadcrumbs. So these breadcrumbs are homemade. So if you want to know the recipe, then you will find it in the I button. So I will dip the potato in the egg and will cover it with the breadcrumbs. I will repeat the same step for both, then I will semi-fry it on a pan. So after semi-frying it from both the sides till it turns golden brown, so they have turned golden brown. Now we will add some cheese. Here I am using mozzarella cheese, you can use any. Adding some seasonings. Now we'll sandwich the slices of the potatoes as per their instructions. So guys, after cooking it well, we will take it out in a plate. So it looks very crispy and is cooked well. So now let's taste it. So to be honest guys, I had very high expectations with this hack. So it was okay. I'm not gonna try this recipe in the future. So I will rate this hack 6 on 10. Moving on to the hack number 4. So I think guys, this hack is a game of patience. If you have patience, you can cook them. But let's try it that it will work or not. I have chopped the potatoes very small so it gets cooked very well. Now I am taking a foil and spreading the potatoes on the foil. Then I am going to add some olive oil. And we'll add some seasonings. I'm using here salt and oregano. Now I will cover the side and will pack it very well. Now I will take iron and will start cooking it. So guys, what do you think? This hack will be successful or not? Do tell me in the comment section. So guys, to be honest, I cooked it for 10 minutes first, but then I have checked it and it was not even 10% cooked. So I have cooked it for more 30 minutes. So guys, as I lost my patience, I kept the iron on the foil and left for 30 minutes. But I came in between and was changing the positions of the iron. But then after 30 minutes, as I have checked it, it was only 20% cooked. And I don't had enough of patience to wait 1 hour to cook them. So for me guys, this hack was a fail. Maybe I have done something wrong, but this hack was fail. So I am going to rate it 0 on 10. So moving on to the hack number 5. So guys, I don't know what to expect now, but I hope this hack works. So here I am going to take boiled potatoes which I have boiled in the first hack. I am going to mash it very properly. Then I am going to add some salt, some paprika, some corn flour and some homemade breadcrumbs. You can find the recipe in the I button. Then I am going to mix it very well. I don't know why guys, but its texture is very different. So now I am going to take a parchment paper and will roll it on the paper and will take a bowl and make a circle. Now I will take the straw and will try to make eyes on it. And for the smiley, we are using the spoon. I hope this works. Now it's time to fry it. So I'm frying it on like medium flame. It took approx 10 minutes to fry the smileys. But instead of smileys, they look like tikkies. So we will take it out, and I don't know where the smile has gone. Only the eyes are left. So let's taste it. To be honest guys, it not at all tastes like smiley, but it tastes good. So I will rate it 8 on 10. Now moving on to the bonus hack. So guys, if you are unable to find rubber bands or staplers, this hack will work. So here I am taking one packet and will folding it somewhat like this. Then we'll fold the sides and we'll try to twist it. Now let's check it that it had worked or not. Nothing is coming out and it is sealed properly. So guys, this bonus hack is a success and I'm going to rate it 10 on 10. So guys, if you want to stay updated, you can follow me on Instagram at jgcancook_. And if you like this recipe, do give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe it and click on the bell button to get post notifications. Thank you for watching this video guys. I love you all. Bye.